Hey, body. Wake up. We need to have a serious talk. I am literally suffocating down here. You think you are having fun? Look at me. I am a mess. Let's compare smoking versus vaping. First up, cigarettes. When you smoke, you pave my airways with hot, sticky tar. Gross. 7,000 chemicals burning. Carbon monoxide steals my oxygen. It is like running a marathon inside a chimney.
Smoking paralyzes my cilia, my tiny cleaning brooms. Without them, the trash just rots inside me.
So you switched to vaping. Smells like strawberries? You think it is safe water vapor? Big mistake. It is not water vapor. It is an aerosol. Tiny chemical particles exploding in my face.
Vape juice has vegetable glycerin. You are coating me in oil. I am a lung, not a frying pan.
And the heating coil? It releases lead and nickel. You are inhaling metal dust straight into me. Ever heard of popcorn lung? Vape flavors scar my tiny air sacs. They never stretch again. The verdict? Smoking burns me with tar. Vaping boils me with chemicals. Neither is a winner. EVALI. That is a real lung injury from vaping. Do you really want to end up on a ventilator?
Don't let marketing fool you. Safer does not mean safe. Inhaling chemicals is a gamble with my life.
And the nicotine. Vapes deliver a massive punch, faster than cigarettes. You hook your brain and hurt me. Formaldehyde. Used in glue and embalming fluid. Why are we putting this inside us?
Enough doom and gloom. Let's talk solutions. I crave oxygen. Just pure, clean air. The moment you quit, I start repairing. Within 20 minutes, your heart rate drops. I am resilient. Hydration. Drink water. It thins the mucus lining my airways. Help me flush out the toxins. Exercise. When you run, I get stronger. It forces stale air out and brings fresh air in. Set a date. Quitting is hard, I know. But the cravings pass. I will thank you forever.
Imagine breathing deep without coughing. Imagine running without wheezing. That is freedom.
We can be heroes, you and me. We just need to kick the habit. No smoke, no vapor.
Stressed? Take a deep breath naturally. Don't reach for the stick. Drink water instead.
I love being your lungs. I work 24/7 for you. Please, treat me with kindness.
Eat antioxidants. Apples, berries, greens. They reduce inflammation in my tissues. Feed me good stuff.
There is no safe tobacco product. It is a myth. Only clean air should go inside me. Look at this view. You can't climb high if I am full of tar. Let's reach the top together.
When I am healthy, the heart is happy. The brain gets oxygen. We are a team. It is never too late. Your body is amazing at healing. Give me a chance to clean this up. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Feel that. That is life. Don't trade it for a cheap buzz.
Bin them. Right now. Don't think about it. Just toss them. You are stronger than plastic.
You got this. I believe in you. We can breathe free again. Make the right choice today.
Celebrate your health every day. Without smoke is a victory. I am feeling lighter already.
Protect me. I am fragile. Say no to peer pressure. Say yes to a long, healthy life.
Thank you for listening. Now, take a deep breath of fresh air. That is the good stuff.